Hi, my name is Rosa Franelli Peñuela Reyes. I present to you travel itinerary Snowy Bridge. Introduction of the place. Murillo is a wonderful place in the middle of Central Mount range of Colombia located in the department of Tolima. From there, it is very easy to see the snowy office. It is architecture is parallel of the two beautiful to visit. It is houses are painted in attractive color for tourists. There are too many places to visit, such as La Cabaña, La Yuca, and La Campanita. Also, the land called El Escondite, among other places. Due to its cool climate, there are various drinks to drink. Due to its fantastic landscapes, there is enough space in the hotel to rest. 8 days allows accepted pets. You can escape for the beds typical disease of the place. If you call Snow, you will get a 30% discount on other services. Duration of the trip. Itinerary for 3 days to 8. Every day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner are included. Day 1. The 2-hour walk to visit the hot spring La Cabaña. Day 2. Visit to a snowy trees. Day 3. Walk through the town and enjoy typical food. Means of transportation. The most used means of transport for travel engines, trip are boats and jeeps. Activity to do. The activity in the wonderful and most common places are hiking, camping, horseback riding, enjoy delicious cuisine, and above all, heading to note at part of Tolima how wonderful it is. Remember to recommend this beautiful place to visit. Places to stay. Murillo, being a small town, has only one hotel called the Posada del Turista. It has family room for 4 or more members. It is cheap, very cleanly. It is workers friendly. Their food is varied and to eat everything in all dates. Typical food. There is variety of typical foods in their town to enjoy. It is made this is the rainbow mojarra and different types of desserts such as sweet chamber, arequipe, coffee, lulo, etc. The food is of excellent taste and at comfortable price for tourists. You have enjoy food to eat and enjoy. Cost. For the excursion, it consists of different prices. Individual eats as has value of the 100,000 for the couple around 240,000 and families around 300,000. Take the opportunity to make 4 family trips and enjoy the wonderful of Murillo. Take time to work with 4 family. Do not think about anymore. Come and enjoy this wonderful place. Thank you.